Got some mangoes, babe? Yeah. That's right. We don't condone any kind of smoking of any kind. T. No one's calling in. Shall I give a lesson of today then? Since no one wants to call in. I guess we'll give a lesson of today. Nah, you don't know how to be respectful, Devon. Talking to Chief, homie. Talk to me with a certain amount of respect. And that coconut water good. What in the world? What in the world are we doing? Hey, babe, you like when I sang to you? Rap to it? What about rap? What in the world are we doing?
Peace Reflections, Chief.
Peace, what's going on? Peace.
Hey, I got a couple of questions for you.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm not showing my face. I'm really ill today, so.
Nah, you're gonna be all right.
Thank you. Okay, the question I got is, I never heard nobody ask this question, and I was just curious. Okay, so say for instance, one of your wives, say for instance, one of her family members wanted to come, or even one of your family members, if they was on board with what's going on, would you allow them in?
Nah, we don't deal with them like that. We don't do the mission that we on. We not really made for visitation.
Well, no, not to visit. I mean to be there, to live there.
Oh, hell yeah.
That's what I mean. Yeah, to live there. So if I wanted to come and I was on board with everything and I checked out for everything and I wanted my sister to come along and, you know, she checked out for everything, you would allow that?
That's a fact.
Okay, I got another.
That's very rare, but yeah.
I had another question. Would you have two sisters as wives?
Two sisters as what?
Wives, as your wife.
Hell yeah. That shit dope.
I'm sure.
They was twin sisters.
Right. Yeah, that's all.
Shit.
Right. Yeah,
that's where Sister Wives came from.
Exactly. No, I absolutely love what you guys doing. I wish I can be part of that, but you know, I'm a lot older.
I was with Eliana's sister, and they was mad at me because I was flirting with her.
Who was mad at you? The family, or who was mad? The family?
People online, like you was flirting with her sister.
I mean, if she okay with it, I mean, shit, you can't nobody really get mad.
Well, see, I'm a man. This the way I run my life is I talk to as many women as I want.
Right.
That don't change the bond between me and my wives, but I can have as many women as I want. No one can say, "Oh, you was cheating on Eliana," or nothing like that.
Right.
I'm a man.
Exactly.
I'm in the
right. I was about to say that you're a very honest person. That's what I love about you. Y'all can be fake and hide y'all life, but y'all don't. What I love about y'all don't hide y'all lives, and y'all real about everything. I mean, I love that. I absolutely love it. I love everything about y'all. I really do. You know. Okay, I'm thankful too, Chief. Have a good one.
Thanks for calling in.
You're welcome.
I'm enjoying this mango for you.